Today I'm going to teach you how to use this Claude AI plugin inside of Premiere Pro to automatically edit your content in one click. Let's go. Alright guys, we're inside Premiere Pro. First things first, you're going to install the free AutoEdit Creator Mode plugin. So I've linked down to it below. It's at this website called AutoEditAI.net. There is a completely free to download version. You don't have to pay or enter any credit card details. And then yes, if you want to upgrade and get more credits and use more premium features, you can pay. But once you download it, you hit Window, you hit Extensions, and then you click AutoEdit Creator Mode. Once you open the plugin, it will pop up as a panel inside of Premiere Pro. You can either choose to keep it docked onto your UI, or you can click and undock it, and then you can move it around freely. We're going to keep it like this, and then we're going to click Claude Creator Mode. Now, keep in mind, this Claude Creator Mode feature does require paid credits. So it does cost money to use these credits, but there is a 3 free-day trial of this feature. However, all the other features in this plugin right here, like these free forever tools listed free, are free. So we're actually going to start off with this silence cutter, because the longer your video is, the more credits you're going to use. So we're just going to quickly cut all the silences. We're going to hit cut. And obviously, another thing you might notice is my video is vertical, and it's in a horizontal format right now. So there's actually also another free tool in here called the Auto Reframe, where we can literally just reframe our video, and boom, just like that, now all of our video is reframed to be vertical. So this is really cool and easy. Now we can go ahead and use the Claude Creator Mode feature. So this feature is really cool. I can literally just type a prompt in here. And also there's a new coming chat mode feature where you can literally chat with Claude. So you can see it takes me to this page, and I can literally just chat with Claude, like cut the bad takes and repeats. And then boom, just like that, Claude now loads, and then it basically finds all of the segments for us, and it gives us clickable timestamps. So then that way we can actually jump to these actual parts of the timeline, and then I can edit based off of it. So you can see it's telling me it's reasoning too. So I made, these are both bad takes, and 39 through 40 is a good take. Download CTA segments are repeated, false starts. This is really cool, honestly. And the cool thing is you can actually just tell it like, okay, make all those changes, and then you hit send, and then Claude basically responds, and it's going to go ahead and analyze based off your transcript, and it's going to give you a decision list. Then that way we can apply that decision list. So it's going to load for a bit. And then boom, just like this, it gives us this cool decision list where we can go ahead and click and see all the changes that Claude has decided to make. So you can see if we zoom in on the timeline, it basically blacks out the areas where it would say like, oh, you'd cut this section. And the cool thing is we can, of course, manually adjust this too. So if we don't want to, keep one of these lines, we're like, actually, I would keep this line, Claude. You can do so, and it will manually tag it. So then that way the model knows for future reference, Devin doesn't like these types of edits. So we'll just keep that in mind. And then once we're done, we just hit apply all permanent, and it automatically edits our video for us. And voila, just like that. Now we have a full rough cut of our talking head video. This is particularly great, especially if you're a content creator. And the cool thing is it doesn't stop there. You can actually go ahead and apply captions in the style of any of your favorite content creators. So we have caption styles for Mr. Beast, Alex Hormozy, Ali Abdaal. The list goes on. And once it's done loading, boom, just like this, we can go ahead and add some Mr. Beast style captions. We hit generate, and they instantly get applied onto our timeline. So it just basically loads all these captions out as PNG files and then automatically places them onto your timeline. So boom, just like that, you can see them getting automatically added. Look at that on V3 track layer. That is crazy. I'm not even doing anything, guys. My hands are up here, and you see we got some Mr. Beast style captions now. Yeah, that is crazy. Let me know what you guys think. Would you find this plugin helpful? Would you find this useful as a content creator? I've done a lot of tutorials on this, and I'm making this kind of like a series because we're constantly updating this plugin, adding new changes and fixes. So would love to get your feedback, and honestly, like any feature requests or ideas that you guys are like, oh, this would be cool, or can you add this, or I added my content like this. Let us know. Like I would love to, take in your requests and add any features and many features we can that would be most helpful to you guys. In the future, we're planning on adding a couple more free tools. One of them, wink, wink, downloading MP4 videos directly from websites. You can go ahead and do that inside of Premiere Pro. That's another feature coming soon. And then also there is a free motion graphics tab applier. So we have a full video on that motion graphics applier linked right here. But let me know what you guys think. Would you find this plugin helpful? There's also another way you can cut curse words too. So if you curse like me in this video, you can go ahead and bleep those out. But if you want to check out the video linked below on how to apply the motion graphics that also come for free with this plugin, you can check it out. I've linked to it below. Hopefully you found this video helpful, and see you guys in the next one.